You've probably heard these questions before. How fast can I lose weight on Zepbound? Or what's the best dose for maximum weight loss? And I get it. But here's the truth. Those are the wrong questions. So in this video, I'm going to show you what you should be asking instead if you want long-term success. Before I get into those, I'm going to give you my update. So I've now been on Zepbound for 56 weeks, and I've been in maintenance for 30 weeks. I'm 5'7". My highest weight was 216 pounds, and I was 183 pounds when I started in February of 2024. My lowest weight on this medication was 126 pounds, and I'm currently 128 pounds. So this entire time, I've just alternated my injections between the left and the right side of my abdominal area, and that's just because that's what I'm comfortable with. I started at 2.5 milligrams for 4 weeks, and then I titrated up to 5 milligrams, and I've stayed there with no side effects. I will continue the same weekly dosing schedule as prescribed because it works for me. I'm a vegan and I follow a whole food plant-based diet, and I aim for 1,800 calories a day with over 100 grams of protein. I use the Lose It app to track every meal, and I post photos of every single thing that I eat daily, including the calories and macros. So that's on Instagram, and I also use it I also post it on the YouTube community post tab. I share sped up workouts and walk videos on Instagram Reels, and it also will have what program and stage I'm in. So yesterday I finished up week 4 of the Body Recomp 2.0 series, and that's by Kira Mitlow, and I only have 2 more weeks to go. As of this morning, I've completed my 9th full week of daily 30-minute walks on my walking pad, and that was inspired by a 6-week challenge that I started off the year with, and I just decided to continue. Now let's get into the wrong questions. So I'm in different GLP-1 groups, and I see the same questions over and over again. How fast can I lose weight on this medication? What dose will make the weight come off the quickest? I've only lost X amount of pounds in X amount of weeks. Should I increase my dose? What can I eat to lose weight the fastest? Which injection site has the most weight loss? And the list goes on. These are the wrong questions. If these are your focus, you're missing the real point and the real opportunity. Now, these are some of the right questions that you can be asking yourself instead. How can I build habits that I can maintain after the weight is gone? Am I eating enough to fuel my body and preserve muscle? What daily actions can I take to stay consistent? How can I shift my mindset so I'm not just chasing the scale? How do I handle plateaus or slow progress without self-sabotage? Zepbound isn't magic. Mindset plus habit change equals success. And there is no dose that can change that. This is the reason that I created my Daily Dose of Mindset series. And basically, they're just quick little daily videos designed to help you reframe your thinking, stay consistent, and build lasting habits. So if you're interested in that, check out the playlist, and it'll give you some real actionable strategies. So listen, if you've been asking yourself the wrong questions, don't beat yourself up. Just know that if you want to be successful on this medication, it's time for a mindset shift. I need you to focus on what truly leads to sustainable change. Losing the weight is just step 1. The real win is becoming the person who can maintain it with the mindset and habits to back it up. I would love for you to drop a comment. What is one habit you're focusing on this week? Just one. Now, I normally do live streams every Monday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, but I have a daughter visiting town, so I'm either going to do it on Tuesday or we're going to skip it all together and do it next week. But I'd love for you to join those and catch some of the previous replays. It's a good way to see what other people in the community are experiencing, and maybe you can get some tips and stuff from that. So that is all I have for you today, and I'm going to leave you with this. We can share our journeys, but we should never compare them. And on that note, you have a great day. Bye.